Hey everybody. Today I'm a little discombobulated because I usually do videos in my little break room, but it's too much going on. So I'm in my office. So if it's a little noise or a little people walking around, my bad. But today we got obviously a Frito theme going on. So I'm going to be trying the new Frito Lay's kettle cooked, and these filet and hot Fritos barbecue that I've been trying to find for months and months on Sunday, and I got the regular Fritos to compare to see if they really taste like them, you know. So we're gonna jump right in. Hold on, I hope nobody don't come. Hold on. All right. So we're gonna jump right in, but I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend and share this video, please. So yeah, we're gonna start with the regular one. You know, so I can try to get the essence. But the Lay's chips, they been out. Like they had all the other flavors: Dorito, Cheeto, Frito, Funyun. I mean, they didn't have Frito. They had Funyun, Cheeto, and Dorito. And now I guess come out Frito. I love Fritos. I want some chili cheese Frito. I love you. You're so good. Okay. No, I'm just regular. Chili cheesy, salty, good. Now, I'm gonna do these ones because them is hot and they also barbecue, so I'm really finna compare this flavor with this flavor to see if they captured the flavor in those kettle chips. Alright, let me see. Let me try to get one of I guess the seasoning is dead on, but it's not corn chippy. Like, you know, it's the seasoning, but it's not corn tasting. Not my eye. Let's see if I still taste the same seasoning. Yeah, the seasoning is spot on. You just missed the corn flavor. But they're good. I'm gonna eat them. But it's not like a regular Frito. Alright. So. The seasoning actually might be stronger in this Lay's. Like chili cheese. Oh, it's like chili seasoning, chili powder. Really. But it's not too different from that. I like them. I'll give them a 10. I recommend. I'll try again. Next, I'm gonna try the barbecue one. Flaming hot barbecue. Now, a little while back, I tried regular barbecue Fritos. They was alright. They didn't compare to them. Ooh, these red. Ooh, these remind me of Flaming Hot Fritos. Ooh, they red. They good. Ooh, they good. I like flaming. They barbecue. They good. I think they're gonna be good. They like smoky. They're not as spicy as Flaming Hot these. They good. These might be my favorite one. You definitely taste the barbecue. You definitely taste the Frito flavor. Alright, cause I don't bite it that bad. It's hot, but it ain't too hot. Flaming hot Fritos is hotter than that. Oh my god, that all three was good, but the barbecue one was my favorite one. Barbecue one was my favorite ones out of all three. But yes, I would definitely try again. Would recommend. Would tell a friend. Would eat again. Do again. All that. But man, I want to do story time with y'all, but I don't feel like these people finna come in here and try to clock out. But I'll probably be back next week with a little story time and all that, because I got a lot of stories to tell about the Bahamas. That shit was crazy. But yeah, go back and watch all the videos. I put up fake little vlogs. I don't care what y'all say about the vlogs. They was my first vlogs, but whatever. And I ain't gonna hold you, my back camera was broken, so it was like whatever. But I don't give a fuck. I had a good motherfucking time. Would do again. Would recommend. I don't know about getting off in the actual Bahamas and doing all that with them people, but if you have like an excursion booked through your cruise line, then I do that, because then you can just get off and get on and go where you have to go. But if you want to deal with them in that island, oh my god, it's gonna be a problem. But yeah, so make sure to like, share, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and I'll see y'all again. All right.